honestly, because in Delhi also I had a meeting with the finance minister. Next day there was a bishop's ordination, so I could not follow the news properly, and then I'm yet to find out the details. But I think rather you know better, and they know better. So I don't want to repeat. I think Dr. Mukul Sama was here. You should have asked him.
He didn't
And
want
the
to
rest
respond.
of people, I think you know better. So yesterday's actually whatever happened, I'm not much aware of. I know that they had a meeting in Dr. Mukul's place, but when I asked MLAs, then they said that no, your normal meeting, whenever the CLP calls us, they always have discussions about elections or party matters and all. So I don't think that is much. Beyond that, I don't know. I mean, honestly speaking, because I was not there. And frankly, because I've just joined, I've not even sit even 1 minute in the office, because after I took over on 18th, then my office was undergone for renovation, and lots of the committees have not been reconstituted. So we have a system in the party where we have the disciplinary action committee if somebody complains, and we have also a system in the party where to address all these issues. And even I was talking to Dr. Mukul now also. He said that Delhi has called him. What I talked to Dr. Mukul is that it has nothing to be against me, because Dr. Mukul told me that the way they appoint the president, be it me, but anybody, should we have been consulted with the CLP or the senior leaders in the party. So personally, there's nothing with me and him, or there's nothing to be done much. But I think Dr. Mukul said that the ICC did not consult him, so nothing to do with me. I've not even taken any decision. There's no such a decision which I've taken against be it MLA or Dr. Mukul, anybody. So what I discussed with him about these issues, I think it has to do with the ICC, nothing to do with me. There's ICC. Just over phone, they said anything a problem, and I told them I'm in Delhi. So what's happened? So they did not ask any such a report as such. I don't know. I don't think they asked any such a report at all. So I think rather speculations is more than that. Maybe, but nobody tells the truth. Of course, you know better than me. So, but as far as I'm concerned, I always want to be transparent in life, be it any part. So definitely, when we have a committee in place, when we inquire, and then when the ICC will give us, if they ask us any report, then definitely we'll give them the fair and transparent report. But as of now, I've not got anything that they've asked for a report on the issues. Rather, Dr. Mukul told me that they've called him to Delhi. So we'll see what they discuss with him in Delhi. The meeting for normally before recommending the names of any candidates, we screened whether the papers are all right, and then what is the recommendation from the block, from the district, and this is a top election committee in the state. So we also further find out whatever recommended is all right. Then again we send to Delhi. The names will be declared from Delhi, so it is confidential. So the names will be declared from Delhi. I think Dr. Mukul already briefed you, but I don't think there's much hype than rather what actually happened. I don't think that there's a problem within the party. Rather, we are united. I think you see the moods of the people, and everywhere. I think the workers and all, the way they have met us. I think the more of our perceptions and the hype of whatever is happening, I think that's more. I think in ground, I think people are very happy, and then we have to work very hard. I met the people from Karo Hills. I went that day to Karo Hills yesterday also. Quite many of them leaders came to Guwahati also, and joined the party also. I don't think that much. I think people are in favor of the Congress, and the small thing, it happens. Actually, Congress is a big family and is a dynamic in politics. You've seen half of the cabinet here in the present government is all pass out from the Congress and join there. And some of them may join back, some of them may stay there. So that's the beauty of the Congress, It's like a school for the politics in Meghalaya or in any part of India. You see, almost 30% of the politicians in BJP also are from the Congress only. So these are normal, where we do have not exactly a problem, but we do have a push and pull, because you have to live with it. It's be it in the family, be it among the press, be it among the system. There's no denying the fact that in the Congress also naturally there will be competitions amongst each other. There will be push and pulls all over, be it in UDP, be it in BJP. You have seen BJP, they have got only 2 MLAs, but I don't think they have that. I think we in the Congress, we have better position than them. And you see UDP also the same thing, NPP rather also same thing. I'm told that the cabinet and the NPP also, they don't talk to each other, they don't see eye to eye so sometimes. So that's maybe a perceptions. So, but in reality, we all work for the interests of the people and the interests of the party. Like, you know, in the religion, amongst the Christians, we said that we have a different ideas, different faith, whatever, but all binds us is the Holy Spirit. So same thing also, what we are in the party also, we may have a different views, we agree, disagree, but all our binds us together is the party and the decision of the High Command. So definitely there's nothing much to worry about the overall performance of the party.